One chat message, a live Google Ads campaign, keywords, ad copy, and budget already set. That's what you're about to see. Imagine handing your Google Ads account to an assistant who never sleeps, never overcharges you, and builds every campaign from a single sentence. Airtop makes that possible. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up in under 10 minutes. Here's what we'll cover. First, what Airtop actually is and why marketers are switching to it. Then, exactly how to build your first Google Ads campaign from a plain English chat. After that, how freelancers are turning this into a paid ad management service. And by the end, you'll know exactly whether the free plan is enough to run your own ads. Airtop is an AI agent platform that logs into real websites, browses them, and takes action. And its newest tool builds, monitors, and optimizes entire Google Ads campaigns from a conversation. It's built for marketers, agencies, and small business owners who don't have a paid ad specialist on staff. Instead of learning the Google Ads interface, you describe your goal in plain English, and Airtop handles keyword research, campaign creation, budget waste audits, and performance reporting. It replaces the 5 to 10 hours a week most small business owners spend fumbling through the ads dashboard. And the free plan alone gives you enough credits to build and audit a real campaign before you spend a cent. Here's exactly how to set it up. Step 1. Go to airtop.ai/Google Ads and connect your Google Ads account. Takes about 2 minutes. Step 2. Open a chat and describe your goal in plain English, like, build a campaign for my dog walking business in Austin with a $30 daily budget. Step 3. Airtop's agent researches keywords, writes the ad copy, and assembles the entire campaign structure on its own. Step 4. Review the waste audit it generates, approve the campaign, and Airtop keeps watching spend and performance after it goes live. The feature that sold me is the waste audit. Before Airtop touches your account, it scans everything you're already running and shows you exactly which keywords and ads are burning your budget for zero results. The same audit agencies charge hundreds of dollars to deliver. Done automatically the moment you connect your account. Now here's how this pays for itself. Freelancers and consultants are connecting a client's ad account, running Airtop's free waste audit, and using the wasted spend number as the pitch. You're burning $400 a month on keywords that convert 0 times. That audit alone gets the meeting. From there, charge $300 to $600 to rebuild the campaign, plus a monthly retainer to keep optimizing it. Local businesses, dentists, contractors, gyms are the easiest first clients because they're already paying Google, just paying badly. Let's talk pricing. The free plan gives you 1,000 credits, 3 sessions, and 1 published agent, enough to build and audit a real campaign with no card required. The starter plan is $26 a month and unlocks 30,000 credits, 10 agents, and scheduling, so campaigns run and optimize themselves automatically. If you're managing ads for even 1 client, this is a no-brainer. The waste audit alone can pay for a year of starter. If you just want to test it on your own small campaign, the free tier is genuinely enough. So here's my question for you. How much do you think you're wasting on Google Ads right now? Drop your guess below. I read every comment. Follow Patapo AI. New AI tool every day. No hype, no fluff.